Today we're looking at the MAMNV D13S MAX, a self-emptying robot vacuum and mop offering advanced features like LiDAR navigation and strong suction. It aims to provide hands-free cleaning for busy homes. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's explore what the MAMNV D13S MAX can really do in your home environment. Hard floor cleaning is a strong point for the D13S MAX, as its suction power and brush design effectively pick up daily debris on smooth surfaces. Pet hair pickup is quite good, particularly when its automatic carpet boost activates, helping it manage common pet-related messes across different floor types. The navigation system is a key strength, utilizing LiDAR technology to create precise maps and avoid obstacles, ensuring thorough and efficient cleaning paths. While it includes a mopping function, it's best suited for light maintenance and wiping, rather than tackling heavily soiled areas or deep cleaning tasks effectively. This robot vacuum shows strong capabilities on hard floors and for pet hair, offering efficient navigation. However, its mopping function is more of a light pass than a deep clean. Understanding the value this robot vacuum offers for its current price point. It offers an impressive array of premium features, including LiDAR navigation and a self-emptying dock, which are often found in much more expensive robot vacuums. Brand trust remains a notable concern, as MAMNV is a newer player without a long history of independent reviews or a well-established track record to evaluate. Against its direct competitors, the D13S MAX provides a strong feature set, offering advanced capabilities that often require a higher investment elsewhere in the market. When available at a discount, this unit's appeal significantly increases, as its feature-to-price ratio becomes even more compelling for potential buyers. This unit packs many features for its price, making it appealing for discounts, but the brand's newness impacts overall trust and perceived long-term value. Here's what to consider regarding the potential risks and long-term ownership. While there aren't widespread reports of build quality issues, limited long-term evidence makes it difficult to fully assess its durability and construction over time. Reliability is an area with limited verified data, especially concerning the long-term performance of its battery, self-emptying dock, and other critical components. The effectiveness of customer support and warranty service from a lesser-known brand like MAMNV remains largely unproven, which introduces a potential long-term risk. While there are no widespread complaints about the app's current functionality, its long-term compatibility and consistent update support are still unproven for this brand. The primary risks relate to limited independent evidence rather than widespread defects, highlighting the importance of a strong return policy for buyers. The MAMNV D13S MAX is a compelling option for those seeking advanced navigation and self-emptying features at a more accessible price. However, buyers should be aware that long-term reliability and the true extent of its advertised performance remain largely unverified by independent testing. If you prioritize budget and features over established brand trust, it's worth considering, but be sure to leverage a strong return policy.